and welcome back to GCS Machinery. Today we're very lucky to have been invited to go and have a look round the Ford New Holland, I call them Ford, it's now New Holland obviously, tractor plant at Basildon in Essex. I think from what I know it's an assembly plant of components where all the parts come in and are assembled and make tractors. So we're very keen to buy more tractors. We run at the moment John Deere, we run New Holland, and we're looking to expand the fleet. And I must admit, New Holland and our local dealer Burdens, Lincoln Motors, very keen to do business with us, which is quite refreshing because we do battle a bit sometimes to get some of the tractor dealers to take us seriously. But there you go. Anyway, so we're going to go and have a look around. Anyway, if you haven't already, please click and subscribe. Subscribing is totally free. Ring the little bell and it tells you when we've got new videos on. So let's go have a look at some tractors.
Fly so high, I'm hypnotized. What's up is down, what's left is right. Chasing stars and holding you. I can't see the end, but we'll see it through.
Well, I think to say I'm quite excited is probably a bit of an understatement. It's we've arrived. We're just waiting for the rest of our group to arrive, and yeah, quite exciting. But I just realised we parked next to a fence, and it's just like a whole sea of tractor cabs. I'll just show you. Not quite sure how well this is going to come out, but there is just a whole sea of tractor cabs. Hundreds of them. Wow. Right, we're in the customer centre at Basildon, and it's full of some very nice tractors of various different sizes. It's almost like, where do we start looking at it all? But also, look at that for a beast. Wow. That's certainly an animal there, isn't it? Look at that. Look at that. Not that we do much baling nowadays, but there you go. Nice New Holland mound baler. I think Michelle's quite excited there. They're looking at tractors. Look at that. T5 120. It's quite cool. I mean, they're all cool really, but there you go. T5 110. So this is a New Holland T6 180, of which we are looking very closely at adding to the hire fleet. And yeah, it's good to see you all in the flesh. So there is some form of driver simulator here. I'm not that brave to go on it. I'll probably crash it. So T5s. T5 120, T5 110 and T5 100. So I'm guessing that was about 100 horsepower force in the tractor. So, which would have been in my day, would have been a 7610 or a 7710 at 98 horsepower. So either those tractors were a lot bigger, or these have got a lot more compact in their time. I don't know. But nice little tractor, probably ideal on a stock farm or a small holding. Although to be fair, probably be ideal in a hire fleet as well, because there are times there that people don't always want big tractors. A nice vineyard there. I have a friend of mine in Kent runs a whole fleet of these vineyard tractors and swears by them, and I think loves them to bits. And I think some of these little tractors are sometimes confuse you, the amount of horsepower some of these small tractors have. I think some of the fence and everything else, I think, are quite surprisingly powerful for the size of tractor they are. But there we go. Width-wise, yeah. Then down to some New Holland compacts. I think the Boomer. I'm not sure that's a New Holland Boomer on that one. There you go. There, so that one. That's a New Holland Boomer 40. So we have had inquiries about Boomers in the past, I have to say. If anybody out there would like to hire one tractors of this size, please give us a call. We'd certainly be happy to hire any size tractor. But, there we go. Here's a beast of a tractor. This one. This is a T7340 HD. These used to be made here in Basildon. They're now made in Austria. Look at that. That is some beast of a tractor there. It's amazing really when you think the concept of the 3-point linkage of a tractor goes right back down to the grey Fergie, and it's exactly the same principle to attach the implement by three points of contact, isn't it? It's quite amazing really. The T7300, made here in Basildon, made across there in the shed. Again on the auto command. And there's the T7225. Lovely showroom, all constructed out of timber. I suppose that's the new environmentally will reduce the carbon footprint type scenario, I suppose. That is a beast, isn't it? That really is a beast. Got some models here for the die-hard collector. It's quite cool. Even tractors here for all age groups in the blue power. Yeah. Right, we're outside the New Holland factory, and they got a few bits parked up here. The New Holland telehandler. Adam from Burden's there is trying the cab out. There's all sorts of machinery out here to look at. T7300. So has anybody out there run the New Holland telehandler? If so, what do you think of it? And let us know. Let us know what you think. We'd love some feedback on it. That's a 742, so I'm guessing that's 4.2 tonne to 7 metre lift. So anybody who runs one, put in the comments below what you think of them, and they're interesting to read. So we've got all sorts out here. And I've been encouraged by a very nice chap called Mick, who is the construction manager, to focus. We'll give a mention to the loading shovel, which is over there, so we'll get to that in a minute. That's right, you don't have to run and hide, you know, we know you're there. T6 180, that's the 175 horsepower methane tractor, produced here on the production line. I think they're doing something about 400 this year, something like that. Quite surprising. I'm guessing the people that operate them are going to be the sort of people that have their own AD plants, so they can fuel it for nothing. But there's several of them parked here. Look at that for a nice line-up of tractors. Look at that. Anyway, we've got to go look at the loading shovel. This is a W170D. I've no idea how that number correlates to the size of the machine, but she's certainly a beast. On ag tyres too, so I'm gonna sort of assume this is probably like an ag spec New Holland shovel. Really, that's the equivalent to the JCB whatever number, but yeah, I'm not sure quite where they're made in the world. If you know, put in the box below, but certainly a bit of an animal, that. Now Michael might have just found yeah, this is quite an eye opener. If you like tractors, you like blue ones. Oh look, methane tractors. Oh yeah. I do apologise now if this video has an overdose of blue tractors and maybe the odd yellow combine, but wow. As part of our day out with New Holland, they've taken us horse racing. I don't know all about horses, but we're going to go have a look, see what we can do. There's a horse there called Mixed Spirit, the second one up from the bottom. We have to put a bet on it. Do you think it'll win? I don't know, but with a name like Mixed Spirit, we thought we ought to give it a go. We'll see what it does. Right, back home after my Basildon tractor plant tour. Had a great time looking around the plant and what goes into making those tractors. I think you've got to see it to understand it. It's brilliant, absolutely brilliant. So, Adam Reynolds from Burdens and Lynx Motors, thank you very much for the invitation. Caroline and Mick from New Holland, great fun. We went to the horse race, the whole thing, absolutely great time. So thank you very much to everybody. Please in the comments below let us know what you think of New Holland tractors. Good bits, bad bits. Be honest, tell us what you think. Thanks for watching, please click and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next video. So thank you very much.